I'm Nita, and I've had shoulder replacement. And I had it done at Athens Orthopedic. I had an accident, and I broke my shoulder, and I was in a lot of pain. Dr. Register told me that I needed shoulder replacement. And I said, Dr. Register, look how old I am, what do you think? And he said, your birthday is in 2 months. Let's hurry up and do it now, so you won't be a year older. So we did. He put a artificial cup and ball in it. I went through that, and to my amazement, I can reach all the way up, which they said, well, you probably won't ever reach any higher than that. And I said, okay. But I kept on working, and I can do that. I'm so happy I went to Dr. Register because he just was a miracle doctor for me. I mean, he really was, but I hear he's that way with others. Now I'm back to doing the things that I love to do. I drive a tractor and I plow my garden. I still climb a deer stand, and I still shoot my rifle. I had the shoulder replacement in February. Then in the fall of that same year, deer season opened. While I was hunting, I shot a 10-point buck. I even got my picture in the paper, and it made all the men around here that hunts jealous. I would recommend Athens Orthopedic, and the one I would go to would be Dr. Register. I think he's tops.